Welcome to the Iowa Flood Information System video tutorial series. This episode will provide a brief history of the Iowa Flood Center and introduce the Iowa Flood Information System. Established at the University of Iowa after the historic floods of 2008, the Iowa Flood Center's overarching goal is to improve flood monitoring and prediction capabilities in Iowa, while also developing strategies to help Iowa communities mitigate and prevent future flood damage. One of the tools developed to help achieve this goal is the Iowa Flood Information System. To reach IFIS, visit the Iowa Flood Center website at iowafloodcenter.org, and then click the prominent Iowa Flood Information System banner. The Iowa Flood Information System, or IFIS, is a web-based tool that provides Iowa communities access to flood inundation maps, real-time flood conditions, flood forecasts, and interactive visualizations. IFIS helps community leaders make better land use decisions and become more flood resilient, and also alerts communities in advance to help minimize the damage of future floods. Upon launching IFIS, you'll first be greeted by the entry screen, which can be broken up into four main categories. The State Overview provides a top-level view of Iowa and highlights current flood warnings throughout the state. The Communities and Places section allows you to customize IFIS's data and functionality to a specific community. For example, if we input Cedar Rapids into the River Communities field, we can then select Indian Creek, and IFIS will focus on that community and automatically highlight the selected watershed. Alternatively, we could input a street address, business, or landmark name into the Places field, or even use the Instant Locator tool to select the nearest community through our mouse click. The Flood Maps section displays the available flood inundation maps for major communities in Iowa. These maps provide detailed data on water levels during floods, allowing you to visualize potential flood conditions in your community. Finally, the Knowledge Engine is a tool that allows IFIS to answer simple questions like, how long will it take water in the basin to reach my community? Knowledge Engine functionality will be available in a later version of IFIS. Maps in IFIS are supported by Google Maps and can be navigated using the mouse or the navigation controls in the upper left corner. The menu on the left side of the screen contains a collection of tools and resources to ease your navigation through IFIS's many useful features. The first item, Select View, will return you to the entry screen. Take Snapshot allows you to create a bookmark that saves all of your current IFIS settings, like the selected community, zoom level, and visible sensors. Simply click Take Snapshot, then click Snapshot Link in the pop-up window. The next tool, My Location, zooms IFIS to your estimated geographic location on the map. The Send Feedback tool allows you to share your ideas, feature requests, questions, and bug reports with the IFIS team via a short feedback form. The IFIS Tour is a brief series of slides that serves as a basic introduction to IFIS's many tools and features. Finally, the Map Type tool allows you to switch between various maps, including the default terrain view, satellite, street, and more. The menu in the upper right corner of the screen contains much of IFIS's primary functionality. A detailed walkthrough of the tools and resources available in this menu will be provided in later videos, but for now, let's focus on the basics. The first tab provides basic data like population and land area when in the State Overview, and will include watershed characteristics for the selected community when accessed from the Community and Places view. The next tab, Data Resources, allows you to access the data sources that populate the map. For example, if you select stream gauges, all of the stream gauge sensors that feed data into IFIS will appear on the map. From there, you can view hourly stream levels, forecasts, and visualizations. The Flood Conditions tab shows current flood conditions and seasonal forecasts provided by the National Weather Service. The Flood Maps tab can display community flood inundation maps, or the current status of the floodplain mapping project. The next tab, IFIS Tools, contains a collection of additional flood and stream-related tools, including a flood risk calculator to calculate the chances of flooding over time, and the River View, for visualizing all data sources within a community's selected watershed. The Map Layers tab allows you to select from a collection of informational overlays, including county, zip code, city boundaries, and more. Finally, the Weather Conditions tab allows you to view the rainfall visualizations and animations available in IFIS, including current, daily, cumulative, and even snow cover. We hope this introductory video provides you with a basic understanding of the many features and tools available in the Iowa Flood Information System.